Hey everyone, RJ here, back with another video, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and taking an in-depth look at the new Bold N2. Alright, so first things first, I want to give a special thanks to Blue and Bold for sending this phone out for unboxing and reviewing. Now I'm really looking forward to taking a look here at the new Bold N2. I had the Bold N1 and it was a great phone. This phone right here, I'm very excited about. So you see the box here, nice presentation, nice thick box. On the back here, it does give you the specs that I'll read off right now. It's got a 6.6-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display at 1080 by 2340 with a PPI of 393. It's got premium corner and Gorilla Glass 5. Has the MediaTek Dimensity 810 chip. It's of course 5G. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. It's got an advanced quad AI camera system with LED flash, 64 megapixel plus depth sensor plus 5 megapixel wide angle plus macro, super pixel with 120 megapixel super zoom, 16 plus 2 megapixel selfie camera, a 4200 milliamp hour battery with 30 watt max charger, in-display fingerprint scanner, and powered by Android version 11. Alright, let's go ahead and take the top of this box off here. Okay, and right up top there you will see the phone. We'll go ahead and just pull the phone out and put it to the side for a moment here. If I can get it unstuck. There we go. Got all your information there for the SIM and all that stuff. And then we'll see what all comes in the box. And as usual, we have everything here that you need. So we got a Type A to Type C charging cable. I will be leaving all this right here in the plastic right now just to keep things orderly. You also get a dongle. Okay, nice. So Type C to 3.5 millimeter dongle there. So no headphone jack here on this phone. You got your 30 watt charging brick. Yeah, in the box. Something that's becoming very obsolete nowadays, but yep, Blue's still giving it out. And of course, you got the earbuds here that are USB-C, if I can get the focus in there. You also have your Blue sticker, and as well as some, let's see what we got down here. So we got your Bold sticker, your instruction manual right there, and a SIM removal tool right there. And on the bottom, of course, you do get a case. So yeah, you get everything that you need in the box here. Case looks really nice. Carbon fiber look there, of course, not real, but it gives off a really nice look. So that's all that comes into the box. I'll get all this cleaned up and we'll look at the phone. Okay, so phone is in hand, and first impressions is wow. This phone feels super premium. I mean, the back of this phone here has a leather texture. Feels very good to hold. Got your quad camera setup back there with your flash. You see the Bold N2 branding. And if you look at it right there, you can see that leather looking pattern. And it looks really nice. On the side here, of course, is your power and your volume rocker. And it does have a curved display, as you can see right there. Looks really nice. On top, you got your microphone. On the left, you have nothing. On the bottom, you got your Type-C charging port, microphone, SIM card slot, and bottom firing speaker. Now let's go ahead and turn the phone on. Bold, powered by Android. Got your dual camera up here in the top left corner. Wow, this is a very premium feeling device. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. But you can see how that camera up there does look up there in the corner. So I'm going to go ahead and get it all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Now I do want to make mention that this phone is currently on sale at Amazon for only $249.99. It's a special introductory rate. And once that sale is gone, this phone will be $349.99. So I will definitely leave links down below in the description if you're interested in picking this phone up. You know, for $249, great deal in my personal opinion. Now, turning the phone around here, I'm going to first off show you different ways to open your phone. You can swipe up, of course, for your PIN, your pattern, or your password. You can also use the in-display fingerprint scanner, Opens right up, no issues whatsoever, as you can see right there. Also has face unlock, so we're going to look at it now. And there you go. Quick. Man, that is really quick, okay? So next up here is the display. Full HD plus display, AMOLED. It looks really good. I mean, very smooth feeling phone here. It does have some bloatware installed when you know, but you can uninstall that if you want to. Just a beautiful display though. Pulling the drop down here, you will see that it has all the features. Your flashlight feature here. I like the fact that it has a high, so you can make it brighter, a medium, a low, or turn it back off. Really nice stuff there. Your screen recorder, nearby share, super screenshot, all that good stuff. Now going here into the settings, going to browse around here a little bit. So go ahead here and look at about device, and you'll see there is the device name, the bold N2, if I can get it to focus. There we go, bringing in the focus a little bit there. Android version 11. So we are on the July 5th, 2022 security patch. And I will have to update the Google Play system update there and all as well. So backing out of here, you got your Bluetooth, Android Auto, hotspot and tethering. You got more network settings here for your airplane mode, data saver, VPN, private DNS. There is no NFC here on this phone. And looking here at the display, got your brightness level, got your night light. Now I do want to show down here where you can actually, if you want to hide that up top, you can just press that and it kind of hides that the dual cameras up there, or you can leave it alone and have it just like that. So I'm going to leave it alone, and now I'm going to turn it into dark mode because, yeah, that'll look so much better in my personal opinion. Got your night light, you have your changeable lock screen wallpaper, your launcher settings are here. So here you can change your layout display. It's already on 5x5. App icons, app names, icon size, layout, lock. You can just, yeah, you can change everything here in that setting there. So really nice stuff. Screen timeout, I'm going to change that to 10 minutes. Screen color modes. You got standard, vivid, and cool color. I'm going to go back to vivid and we'll have some more punchy color. And casting, printing, and all that kind of stuff there. Now down here at navigation bar, you have your 3-button navigation, which you see down here. Change the colors of it if you want to. You can change it around, or you can just use the gesture navigation, which I will definitely be using. I just like it so much better. You got your sound, app notification, your privacy, security. Scrolling on down here to system, you will see that it's got 242 gigabytes free of 256, and the system only using 5.3 gigs. So that's pretty impressive. And you know, at this price point to get, you know, all, you know, that much storage here in this phone, 8 gigabytes of RAM, you know, storage being 256, that you know, that's just a really good, in my personal opinion. Now this phone does run the Dimensity 810 processor, and the 810 is a very smooth MediaTek processor. Is very quick, very fast. I'll go ahead and show you the Geekbench 5 test that I ran. And you can see here a pretty good score here of 573 single core and 1765 multi-core. If I remember correctly, that's around the same score as the 765G from Snapdragon. So pretty close, pretty on par there. Now, taking a brief look into the camera settings, we'll see what all we can do here. So you got your zoom up to 4 times, and of course you got your wide angle there, so really nice. Got your video mode here, and we'll just look in the settings up here, and we can record here in 2K, 1080p, 720, and 480. I don't see no 60 frames per second here, so I guess it's all 30 frames per second. Got your microphone, grid lines, anti-flicker, all that stuff. Now moving back over here into photo mode, you got your AI mode, your filters, HDR, and all that stuff. Picture size, 64 megapixel, 48 megapixel, 30 megapixel, 16 megapixel. So plenty of stuff there to choose from there as well. You got your portrait mode. So this button down here, you can adjust your depth of field, and here at more, you got a lot. You got your night mode, your pro mode, 128 megapixel mode, beauty mode, macro mode, slow motion. Now turning the camera around to the front, You can see here we got your beauty mode, you got your portrait mode here as well, photo and video. So for video mode, if I can hit the button right, we'll see here that we can record in 1080, 720, 480. So I will definitely be testing these cameras out to see how they do. But overall, first impressions is that the phone looks really nice. Got a very nice design here. Very nice leathery type back here. It just feels really nice. I mean, very premium feeling device. A really nice phone, $249. I don't think you can really beat it for that price. Hopefully you can get it for $249 if you're looking and interested in buying this phone. Putting it in the case here for a moment. And yeah, really good protection here. A really solid case. Got the bumpers here on the sides. Feels very good. And it just offers some good corner protection there as well. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it right now with the new Bold N2. Very impressed by the design and how premium it feels. A lot of nice settings, a lot of nice features, and I think it's a very, very nice phone here. So that's all I got right now. If it's helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below, and I'll get back with you as possible. If you're new around here, I encourage you to consider subscribing and clicking that bell for notifications to receive future videos on this phone and other phones to come. That'd be appreciated. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.